Materials and tools needed: plywood or wide board for turkey body, a piece about 2 to 3 feet square, 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch thick, for cutting out the turkey's main body and head shape. Reclaimed plywood or an old wooden signboard works well. Scrap wood for feathers, e.g. old fence pickets, pallet planks, or 1x4 lumber cut into strips. You'll need several pieces, 18 to 24 inches long for tail feathers. Weathered wood adds rustic charm. Wooden stake or stand, a sturdy stake, 3 to 4 feet long, to mount the turkey into the ground, or a wooden base if you prefer it freestanding on a porch. Could be a pointed 2x2 or metal garden stake. Saw, a jigsaw or scroll saw for cutting out the turkey shape from plywood. A scroll saw is great for details. A jigsaw is faster for larger cuts. Drill and screws, for attaching feather pieces and the stake base. Screws, 1 cord and a drill bit for pilot holes. Sandpaper or sander, to smooth cut edges. Medium 100 grit and fine 150 grit. Acrylic or outdoor paints, assorted colors, browns, oranges, reds, yellows, white, black. Outdoor grade craft paint or exterior house paint samples work well for weather resistance. Paint brushes, variety of sizes, large brush for big areas, small brushes for details. Foam brushes are also handy for broad strokes. Waterproof wood glue, optional, to reinforce joints, useful when attaching feathers or stake. Clear outdoor sealer, polyurethane or spar varnish to protect the painted turkey from the elements. Hardware, small L brackets or braces, optional, to help attach the stake or support the turkey if needed, and exterior grade screws if it will be outdoors. Decorative additions, optional, googly eyes, fabric scraps for a bandana or hat, buttons, etc. if you want to accessorize your turkey. Safety gear, safety glasses when cutting, and adult supervision for any power tool use. Jigsaw drill if kids are helping. Step-by-step instructions on building a Thanksgiving turkey. Step 1. Sketch or trace the turkey shape. Start by drawing an outline of a turkey on your plywood. A simple design includes a round body, a smaller circle or oval for the head on top, and perhaps a rectangle at the bottom for where it will attach to the stake. You can freehand, use a projector, or find a large turkey pattern online to trace. I have added a link in the description for simple templates download that you can use today. Hint: some crafters divide an image into a grid to scale up a pattern onto plywood, or you can print a large template in sections and tape it together. Don't worry about drawing the tail feathers on the plywood. Those will be made from separate wood parts. Step 2. Cut out the plywood turkey body. Using a jigsaw or scroll saw for tighter curves, carefully cut along the outline of your turkey body and head. Take your time on curves like around the head and neck. For safety and smoother cuts, secure the plywood on a stable surface, sawhorses or workbench, and wear eye protection. If kids are present, an adult should handle this cutting step. After cutting, sand the edges so they're smooth and not splintery. Step 3. Prepare the tail feathers. The turkey's tail will be represented by multiple wooden slats arranged in a fan shape behind the body. Cut your scrap wood boards, fence pickets, pallet slats, or similar, into feather lengths. Feathers can be roughly the same size or varied for a more comical look. Commonly, having about 5 to 8 pieces works well for a full tail fan. Each piece could be 1.5 to 3 inches wide and maybe 18 to 24 inches long, tapering to one end if you like. If you want a more realistic feather look, you can cut one end of each slat into a point or curve, for example, using the angled dog ear shape of fence pickets as feather tips. Lightly sand any rough cut edges on these pieces too. Step 4. Attach feathers to the body. Arrange the cut slats in a fan shape behind the turkey body, with the bottoms of the slats overlapping behind where the turkey's back would be. Adjust the spacing until it looks like a nice full tail fan peeking out from behind the turkey. Once you're happy with the layout, attach them to the back of the plywood body. The simplest method: lay the turkey body face down, position the slats as desired, also face down, and screw each slat into the back of the body piece. Drill pilot holes first to prevent wood from splitting, especially if using old slats, and then use 1¼ meters wood screws. 2 screws per slat, one near the top of the body, one a bit lower, will keep them from pivoting. Alternatively, you can attach a horizontal strip of wood across the back of the fan like a brace, and screw all feather slats to that strip as well as to the body for extra sturdiness. Wipe away any sawdust and ensure all screws are tight. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a DIY project. Leave a comment below if you have any questions, and be sure to click the link in the description to read the full step-by-step guide along with printable templates to make this project even easier. Thanks for watching and happy crafting!